moment Russian attack helicopters destroy Ukrainian ground targets with deadly missiles. In this explosive footage from the Russian Ministry of Defense, MOD, a huge explosion can be seen as Ukrainian forces appear to take a big hit from Russian attack helicopters. This footage has yet been verified and the location is still unconfirmed. Military Hutas newspaper brings you the latest breaking news videos and explainers from the US and around the world.